So the device in my hand is a smartwatch. This is beatXP Marv Neo smartwatch, and today's video we discuss how to run the stopwatch in this smartwatch. So for doing this, you must simply move your finger up like this. For taking the menu, you can simply select move like this, and from here you can see the option stopwatch. You can find this stopwatch. Here you can see this is a stopwatch. You must click the stopwatch, and from here, if you want to, suppose if you start this, you can simply click this green button. So if you press this play button, then you can see that the stopwatch start running. And suppose if you want to pause the stopwatch, you must click this button. Once again, now it is paused. And suppose if you want to refresh, then you can simply click this button. So this video, see for more videos, subscribe and stay with Engineers Online. Thank you.